So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Marksans Pharma. So we know that this particular stock was down since many days and we know that it has remained in a consolidation phase for the past few days, and finally today it has given a upper circuit. So we'll do the technical analysis and also the volume analysis to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So currently you can see the stock is near 50.30 level. So finally it has touched the 50 rupees level. So earlier we know that when it has crossed the 50 rupees level, it has started showing some correction. So even the market was also in bearish sentiment. So nothing to panic about this stock since the financials are great and also it is fundamentally very strong stock. And we discussed about this particular stock in so many videos. In my past videos, you can see almost 3 to 4 videos I have uploaded on Marksans Pharma. So in one video we discussed the complete fundamentals of the company and also the fair valuation of the company, which is very important. So if you have not watched the video, definitely watch that as well. So currently you can see the market cap of the company is almost 2000 crores, and when you see the dividend which is given by the company is 0.2%, and when you see the industry PE is 36.07. So currently you can see the PE of the company is 37.82. So almost it is near the sector PE. So we know that almost all the pharma stocks have given a huge returns in a short span of time. So this particular stock, if we compare in the March-April month, it used to trade near 10 rupees level from where it has reached to 50 rupees. So you can imagine almost huge returns were reported in a short span of time. So not only this particular stock, so most of the pharma stocks have given huge returns. But this particular stock with improving financials as well as the management, which is very important, and we have discussed that as well. Okay, so when you see the deliverable quantity, so clearly you can see if you compare that with previous sessions, it has increased. So almost 88% deliverable quantities are seen. So that also is very good for the company. So clearly in the volume analysis, you can see on September 14th, almost 88.6% deliverable quantity was seen, and clearly you can see the traded quantity is reducing. So we know that most of the quantity is present with the FIIs. So we know that major, we can say holding as compared to public also, we see that FIIs also invest on regular basis. So also we know that Marksans Pharma, which has a very great business outside India and it is progressing day by day. So the major business of it is pain management. After that, the second primary business is regarding the cold, cough as well as fever, so which is also a huge business for the company. So since the traded quantity is reducing, it implies that operator activity is reducing, and what we can expect, so definitely the share price also will start moving up. So that's why today also it has given a upper circuit. So it was trading in between, but later it has given a upper circuit. So tomorrow we need to watch the 50 rupees level. So if it breaks that with good volume, then definitely we can see the 56-58 rupees levels. So now we'll move on to the technical charts and then we'll see the levels. So when we see the returns of the company, so that is what I was telling. So in 1 month, you can see the stock has given only 2.76% return. So it has remained in a consolidation phase. So even though it has given upward movement, again downfall was seen, again upward movement, again downfall. So completely later it has consolidated. So accumulation was happening. So that is why I tell never sell your holding. So since we have taken at 30 rupees level, I personally suggested at 30 rupees level. So you should not do any sort of selling. You need to have patience. So once you're invested for long term, you should forget about that, and only you need to find the opportunities to again average your level, but not do any sort of selling. So in 1 week you can see 5.23%, 3 months 64, and you can see in 1 year double your investment, and now most importantly in 10 years it has given almost 1000% returns. Okay, so penny stock going to this particular level is very great. So no one expects that penny stock gives that much movement. So patience is the key factor to when you're investing in penny stock. So if you enter into a panic situation, definitely you will incur losses holding. So when we see what the indicators are suggesting, so clearly you can see the money flow index. So the essence of money flow index, clearly you will understand in this particular section. So 30 below, whenever I say 30 below, it is oversold region. So more than oversold region, it is in 24.2, which is also less than 30. So definitely you can enter at that particular level, maintaining a strict stop loss. So if you see RSI is near 54, strength is present, money flow index is showing oversold, and what else you want. So fundamentally stock is also strong. So that's why I say always you need to have patience, and you need to find an opportunity to invest in fundamentally strong stocks for long term. So this is what is called value investing. Okay, so don't do any sort of gambling, buying, selling. So nothing will be left, only for taxes and GST you need to pay the amount. So that is not a investing psychology. So that is just a gambling. So you need to, once you're invested into stock market for long term, you need to just average. So don't do any sort of selling. So then only we can generate the wealth. So momentum also still is showing a positive momentum, even though in the past few sessions it has started showing the momentum. So now we'll switch out to the technical charts and we'll find the next resistances as well as supports. So this is the 1-day chart. So clearly in the 1-day chart, you can see how the 45 rupees level was being respected continuously. So if you do even the back testing, so 45 rupees level, so whenever it has touched that particular level, we know that a bounce back was seen. So exactly that has only happened. So immediate next target again, and the main resistance for the company would be 58 rupees level and 57 also. You can approach to those two levels. So since it has given and respected the 45 rupees level, so tomorrow if it gives a breakout from 50, definitely you can aim for 58 rupees target as a short term gain, and for long term we know that our targets would be 65 as well as 70. So this requires patience. Okay, definitely patience is required. So if correction happens also, you need to find an opportunity to average. So clearly money flow index again showing momentum. Again, if it goes to overbought region, then definitely the stock price also you will see new highs. Okay, so same in 1 week chart also, you can see completely it has entered into a channel. So it has been respecting the 45 rupees level. So this is importance of the price action. So always follow the price action. So currently you can see this would be the next set of target for the company. If the market sentiment is positive, then definitely it should achieve the targets. So since the mid cap and small cap stocks are mainly in focus, so definitely mutual funds will look into fundamentally strong stocks with improving financials. So this particular stock financials we already discussed, they were great. So simply they were very good. So I discussed that as well in my previous video. So definitely you can hold, if you're holding it from the bottom, nothing to panic. Majorly if you're investing heavy amounts also, you should not worry. Just if it falls average, or if you want to book partial profits, so that is you can book your partial profits as well. Okay, so focus on these two supports as well as resistances. So once it gives breakout tomorrow from 50 rupees level, you can again enter with small quantities. Okay, so this is all about Marksans Pharma. So if you like the video, definitely like it and subscribe to the channel and join the Telegram group if you have not joined the Telegram. So I'm updating all the important notifications so that you will not miss any update. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.